Yoga for beginners. Reduce stress. Improve health. Welcome, everyone, to a journey of self-discovery and wellness through the ancient practice of yoga. In today's fast-paced, often overwhelming world, stress has become an unwelcome companion, a constant undercurrent that can impact our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. But what if there was a way to cultivate inner peace, reduce tension, and improve overall health, all within the comfort of your own home? In this video, we'll explore the world of yoga, specifically designed for beginners. We'll guide you through simple, accessible poses that can help you reduce stress, enhance flexibility, improve your strength, and cultivate a deeper connection with your body and mind. This isn't about mastering complex postures. It's about embarking on a journey of self-care, a path towards greater balance and well-being. We've all experienced those moments when stress feels like a heavy weight, a burden that can leave us feeling anxious, overwhelmed, and drained. The pressures of work, the demands of family, the constant flow of information. It's all too easy to feel disconnected from ourselves, losing touch with the inherent wisdom and serenity within. Chronic stress can manifest in various ways, from muscle tension and headaches to digestive issues and difficulties sleeping. It can affect our mood, making us feel irritable and impatient. It's like our bodies are sending out a distress signal, and it's essential that we listen and respond with care and compassion. But here's the good news. Yoga offers a natural, holistic approach to managing stress, a powerful tool that can help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and equanimity. Yoga isn't just about physical postures. It's a comprehensive system that encompasses mindfulness, breath control, and self-awareness. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path towards greater harmony between the body, mind, and spirit. As you move through the poses, you're not just stretching your muscles, you're also releasing tension, calming your mind, and cultivating a deeper sense of presence. This practice is not about striving for perfection or pushing yourself beyond your limits. It's about honoring your body, accepting yourself, and embracing the process with patience and grace. It is a mindful exploration of the self, a journey towards balance and inner peace. In this video, we'll break down the fundamentals of yoga for beginners, focusing on the core principles of alignment, breath awareness, and mindfulness. We'll guide you through simple, accessible poses that are designed to be safe and effective, offering modifications for different levels of flexibility and experience. Our goal is not to turn you into a yoga master overnight. It's to empower you with the knowledge and tools to incorporate yoga into your daily life, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. This isn't about adding more tasks to your already full schedule. It's about creating moments of peace and stillness, moments that can help you navigate your day with greater clarity, focus, and joy. We believe that yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, body type, or physical condition. You don't need to be flexible or athletic to begin your yoga journey. All you need is an open mind, a willingness to explore, and a desire to cultivate a greater sense of well-being. With practice and consistency, you will begin to experience the transformative power of yoga, reducing stress, improving your health, and enhancing your connection with yourself and the world around you. Let's embark on this wonderful journey together and discover the profound benefits that yoga can offer. Now, let's delve into the world of yoga poses, focusing on those that are particularly beneficial for beginners. We will break down each pose step by step, providing guidance on alignment, breathing, and modifications. Remember to always listen to your body, and if you feel any pain, please come out of the pose and rest. The key is to practice with patience, gentleness, and self-compassion. Mountain pose Tadasana, the foundation of stability. Instructions: stand with your feet together or hip-width apart. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Bring your arms by your sides, palms facing forward. Lift your chest and lengthen the crown of your head towards the sky. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the stability of your body and the groundedness of your feet. Benefits: improves posture, strengthens your core, and cultivates a sense of grounding and stability. 2. Downward facing dog Adho Mukha Svanasana, stretching and strengthening. Instructions: start on your hands and knees. With your hands shoulder width apart and knees hip width apart. Lift your knees off the floor and push your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your arms straight and your head between your arms. Your heels might not touch the floor at first. That's okay. Just gently press them down towards the floor. Benefits: stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine, strengthens the arms and shoulders, and calms the mind. 3. Child's pose Balasana, a moment of rest and reflection. Instructions: start on your hands and knees. Then bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Fall forward, resting your forehead on the floor, and bring your arms alongside your body, palms facing up. If your forehead doesn't comfortably reach the floor, you can place a pillow or blanket underneath it. Benefits: gently stretches your hips, thighs, and ankles, calms the mind, and releases stress and tension. 4. Cat-cow pose Patilasana Marjayasana, gentle spinal movement. Instructions: start on your hands and knees. With your hands shoulder width apart and your knees hip width apart. Inhale and arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your head and tailbone cow pose. Exhale and round your spine, tucking your chin towards your chest and your tailbone under cat pose. Continue to flow between these two poses with your breath. Benefits: gently stretches the spine, stimulates the digestive organs, and improves coordination. 5. Triangle pose Trikonasana, strengthening and balancing. Instructions: stand with your feet wide apart, turning your right foot outward 90 degrees and your left foot inward slightly. Reach your arms out to the sides. Inhale and then exhale, leaning to the right, placing your right hand on your shin or ankle. Extend your left arm straight up towards the sky. Keep your head neutral or turned to look up towards the top hand. You can also use a block or support to rest the hand on if the floor is too far away. Repeat on the other side. Benefits: strengthens the legs and core, stretches the hips, hamstrings, and groins, and improves balance. VI. Warrior Eye Pose Virabhadrana, building strength and confidence. Instructions: Step 1, foot back. Turning the heel down so both feet are flat on the floor with your back heel at an angle. Bend your front knee and align it over your ankle. Your thigh parallel with the floor if possible. Lift your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Keep your chest lifted and your shoulders relaxed. Repeat on the other side. Benefits: strengthens the legs and core, opens the chest and shoulders, and cultivates courage and confidence. 7. Cobra Pose Bhujangasana, gentle back bend. Instructions: lie on your stomach, placing your hands flat beneath your shoulders. Press your palms down into the floor. Inhale, and lift your chest off the floor, keeping your legs and hips down. You can choose to have the elbows bent by your sides, or you can choose to straighten them slightly for a deeper stretch. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your gaze forward. Benefits: strengthens the back muscles, opens the chest and shoulders, and improves posture. 8. Corpse Pose Savasana, deep relaxation. Instructions: lie flat on your back, with your arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Let your feet fall naturally to the sides. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Allow your body to relax completely. Release any tension or effort, and allow yourself to sink into a state of deep relaxation. Benefits: promotes deep relaxation, reduces stress, and cultivates inner peace. Those are just a few of the many yoga poses that can be beneficial for beginners. Remember that this practice is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and honor your own unique path. Don't worry about achieving perfect alignment or mastering complex postures right away. The goal is not to be perfect. It's to be present, to be mindful, and to connect with your body and mind. Each time you step onto your mat, whether for a few minutes or a longer practice, you are doing something wonderful for yourself. Breathing is the foundation of yoga, the thread that connects your body and mind. Through conscious breathwork, you can enhance your energy flow, calm your nervous system, and deepen your connection with your inner self. It is not just about inhaling and exhaling. It is about mindful awareness of the breath. There are various breathing techniques that can be incorporated into your practice. Here are some of the fundamental ones. Ujjayi breath, victorious breath, a gentle, calming breath that is often used in yoga practice. Take a slightly constricted breath through your nose, as if you are fogging up a mirror with your mouth closed. This breath creates a gentle, ocean-like sound in your throat, helping to focus your mind and calm your nervous system. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing, a calming breath that can be very effective for reducing stress. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand as you fill your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on the rise and fall of your belly, and continue the process with gentle and mindful attention. Alongside your yoga practice, it's also important to nourish your body with wholesome, nutritious foods. Focus on eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of caffeine and alcohol. Remember, what you put into your body has a direct impact on your energy levels, your mood, and your overall well-being. A holistic approach to well-being includes a focus on mindful eating, honoring your body's needs. Yoga isn't just something you do on your mat. It's a practice that you can carry with you throughout your day. Embrace the principles of mindfulness, presence, and self-compassion in all that you do. Take moments throughout the day to pause, breathe, and connect with your inner self. Spend time in nature, listen to your favorite music, journal your thoughts, or engage in any activity that brings you joy. Remember that self-care is not selfish. It's essential for your overall health and well-being. Incorporate mindful practices throughout your day, even in the midst of your busy schedules. We hope that this video has provided you with the guidance and inspiration to begin your yoga journey. Remember that it's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about embracing your unique path and honoring your body's wisdom. Be patient with yourself, celebrate the small victories, and allow yoga to transform your life. You have everything you need within you to cultivate peace, reduce stress, and improve your health. Embrace this journey with an open mind, an open heart, and a deep sense of self-compassion. You are capable of achieving great things, and you are worthy of a life filled with well-being and joy.